Welcome to Cloudshot. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your Azure account to Cloudshot for seamless cloud management. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudshot account. If you're already signed in, head to the Connect Your Cloud Account section. Click Start with Azure. Then give your account a custom name. Next, you'll need two key details, the application ID and tenant ID from Azure. You can do this two ways. App registration, GUI-based, ideal for one-time setup. Shell script, automated, great for DevOps. In this video, we'll be using the shell script method. Need help? Click the video tutorial link for guided steps, or just follow the instructions here with me. Navigate to the Azure Cloud Shell. If you're prompted, initialize the shell with your preferred Azure subscription ID. Now, back to Cloudshot and copy the setup script from the instructions and paste it into the Azure Cloud Shell. After pasting the command, press Enter and wait for the script to run and complete its setup. Once the script finishes, it will display your application ID, tenant ID, and subscription ID. Copy these details and paste them into the relevant fields on the Cloudshot Azure account setup page. After filling in all the fields, click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Azure account to Cloudshot. Let's view your Azure infrastructure. Click on Azure Network Discovery. Click Show Deployment, and watch as Cloudshot automatically maps your entire Azure environment. Now you can manage your cloud resources with ease. Unlocking powerful infrastructure visualization, smart cloud management, cost optimization, and much more. Thanks for watching.